y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but we hit take profit. But I moved it down a little bit because it was a fair value gap over here that was like 50%. You'll see it in my video, but look where we at with it, y'all. My wife gonna kill me. I'm trying to get y'all to see. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? You see me? You see me, baby. Let's go.
From that's like breaking the mold. You supposed to do what you told. The elders' words are like gold. From the concrete you rose, you determine how far you go. So don't never sell your soul, and never think you're too old to watch all of it unfold. On this dream I am sold. Let's see how far this goes.
What's up, y'all? Ranks Banks, the wealthy trader, tapping in with some more fire, lit, authentic content. And if this is your first time on my channel, welcome to the channel. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want to see the journey of it. I'm simply a human being just showing my journey. I travel, I trade, I love my wife, and that's what we do over here. We got good vibrations. And if you're a returner, you already know the vibes. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. All right, y'all, I had to take a second to give some love to my most recent subscribers and my most recent commenters on my last videos. I appreciate the extra love and support that y'all sharing on my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Keep them coming. Y'all, today is the first day that I cut on the camera since I've been back from Bali, which is absolutely insane. Wifey was sick last week, but I've been in the kitchen cooking, y'all. I've been in the kitchen cooking. All right, y'all, I had to go put a shirt on because, you know, can't be out here showing his chest off. But we $656 in floating profit, y'all, off this sniper ass entry trade. And what we about to do in this video is we're gonna hop into my computer and I'm gonna show y'all how I've been smashing GBP Futures. Let's go. All right, y'all, so we in the computer with it, and let's see, let me delete some stuff here. These my markups. Excuse me, these the markups from throughout the week, but we about to get into why I took this buy up to this sell. Let's take you back. Let's put it in replay mode real quick, and let's take it back to the week prior. Now, y'all, this week I incorporated market structure into things as a confluence, confirmation, whatever you want to call it for me. But when I came to the charts this week, this is what we were looking at. So when I told you, whenever I'm looking at price, I'm looking to see where price came from and where it's at and where it could potentially be going. And if I'm just paying attention to, like, you don't have to zoom all the way out with it. This is a weekly chart we at, you know what I mean? So we're gonna pay attention to recent price action. As you can see over here, price ran these price ran these stops, this buy side liquidity, it liquidated it and it melted. All right, it broke structure here. Some people would say this is a break of structure, but I like to go from like external swing points. So price broke this structure here. Let me mark it up because I know some people said that they don't really understand like liquidity and stuff like that. So let's see. Right here we got some buy side liquidity run. Boom. We looking for a break of structure. We got the breaker structure here. Why is this a breaker structure? Because price, this is the leg that started this run right here. Price broke past it, so now we looking for lower lows. All right, now this is on a weekly time frame, mind you. So I already know with that in mind that I want to be looking, if I want to be with the trend, I want to be looking for sells. So if we go over here and we look at this weekly chart, we literally can see, if we pay attention right here, there's a fair value gap. Y'all know what I say, price is going to either move to an imbalance or to liquidity. So last week price literally created this fair value gap, so I knew that price needed to tap into this if it was going to decide to go bullish. So let's get into the 4-hour chart so I can show you what I say when I'm saying market structure. Y'all, when I say market structure, I'm literally saying higher highs and higher lows. A higher high was put in here, a higher low, a lower high. So now that this lower high was put in, because remember, market structure is fractal, it's the same on all time frames. Y'all see we on the 4-hour with it now. Okay, same exact structure as the weekly. So price ran out these highs, liquidated that. This line right here was the buy side liquidity on a higher time frame. Price liquidated that. Look at that. Broke that structure. Boom, boom, boom. Retrace. After creating that lower low, put in a lower high. Boom. We come back down here. And you know that we're looking for lower lows. So when you look at this, you see these equal lows right here. And y'all know I don't trade Mondays. So we're going to put this line right here. Because Tuesday is when I can start trading. All right. And I just want to get price up here so we can break down what we're really looking at. All right, so let's play this. Boom. All right, so I come to the chart. When I come to the chart on Tuesday, this is what I see. I see that price literally has come down here to these lows, and it induced it, y'all. Okay, so look, pay attention to these numbers up here. Pay attention to the L. This candle right here, the low, is 1.2672, right? If I go and look at this candle's low right here, it's 1.2673. So it literally is 1 pip from taking this sell side liquidity. All this liquidity, people's sell stops are still under here. So with that idea in mind, I knew that the way price moved away from here with this momentum, I knew that it needed to go higher to grab some more buy side liquidity to come down to this sell side. Also to create a lower high, because we have this lower high here. We have a new lower low that was put in here. Y'all, I'm trying to put market structure into this so that y'all can I'm just trying to show y'all different ways that you can look at the market to execute on these trades. So now we gonna go down to the 1-hour chart. All right, and we're gonna see where we could potentially get in at here. This is where I pull out my fibs, y'all, because I'm only buying in discount and I'm only selling in premium. Meaning if it's above this 50, I'm going to be looking for sells. If it's below this 50, I'm going to be looking for buys. All right. So for me, the golden zone, as you can see, is between 7.705 and 0.79. So what do I see down here also? I see a fair value gap. Let me take this off so you can see what I'm saying. If y'all liking this style of the content, if y'all liking these breakdowns, let me know, because I really kind of enjoy doing these and I would love to do more. I'm going to be doing more, but I just want to know, is this what y'all want to see? All right, so that's the fair value gap I'm talking about. So I knew that we have, what could price potentially be aiming towards? Price could potentially aim here to get these, clear out these highs. I mean, really not so, because it cleared it out here. So my next area of interest would be these equal highs. So this could be a take profit level, a take profit 1. I'm looking for the lower high to be created though. So I knew it needed to go up pretty high for some liquidity. I didn't want to be greedy. So if I'm not mistaken, let me see something real quick and I'm going to tell you if that's what I did. Okay, yeah. See, I just took it up to the 7.705, but I knew this fair value gap right here was fair game to create that lower high. Hence the reason you see that there, but we're going to get into that later. All right, so let's play some of these candles out. Let's play some of these candles out. Boom. This is what I did. I did a pendant order, y'all. I literally set my pendant order right here that if price comes down here, it'll tag me in. So price did what did it do? It literally came down to this area, this fair value gap that I have marked up, and I'm gonna take it down to the 5-minute chart so y'all can see what it looked like on a 5-minute chart. All right, it's a little wonky because this GBP future is a little weird, but even on the 5-minute chart, you see them equal lows had to go. You know what I mean? You see this little baby fair value gap? Literally, that's what price tapped. Let me show y'all. Look at the precision here. Look at this. This is how you can use your lower time frames as entries, y'all. Look at this. You see this little baby fair value gap right here? We're gonna draw a line. We're gonna draw a horizontal line or horizontal ray. We're gonna be precise with it too. Boom. Let's see. Price to the, look at that, to the fucking point is exactly where price reversed at, right? Right there. Boom. All right, so we in the trade, and the rest is history for this trade, y'all. All right, the rest is history. I'm gonna let you watch it play out. The thing with watching these things play out, when it comes to back testing, this is what used to mess me up. Is the time that how fast I can make these candles move, and in real life it don't work that way. All right, boom, look at that. Nothing, nada, no problems. Trade TP smack, we done with that trade, right? So now I had already had this set up, this pending order set up, but we're gonna go into the lower time frame, the 5-minute chart. All right, and we're gonna see how, if you were watching price and you wanted to get in, how you could have did that. So price is now in our area of interest. Look what it's doing in that fair value gap. God damn. All right, y'all, and the fair value gap, you see what it did? You see how price, even though it went into this, it went out the fair value gap just a little bit, it came back in it. All right, and boom, this is how you could have really executed. All right, I told y'all about accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Maybe I didn't. I'll probably make a video about that because I probably didn't. But if you look at this is accumulation, literally. Prices just accumulate and generating liquidity, engineering liquidity, so that what? They can move the markets lower. All of this right here, stop losses rest above here. People thought they was good. Stop losses. Guess what? Wicked. Boom. Price shot down. It did the same thing, y'all. I keep telling y'all, price is fractal, literally. Ran these buy sides, broke structure, which is right here, and that's your confirmation. Now let's see. It don't even give you a chance to, oh, there you go. That's where I had got in, because I had already saw this. This wick is what tagged me into the trade, because I had already saw all of this, and look, boom. So I didn't just have that sitting there before, y'all. Actually, I didn't. I was getting ready to take a nap, and I saw this setup happening, and I was just like, I'm going to sleep. This would be a good time to see what we're going to do with this, and this is what it did. So again, that break of structure right there was confirmation. We needed price to come back up here to fill this imbalance. It literally came to the wick. Let me delete that so y'all can see that. It's not no game. Came to, look at that, wicked it. All right, so we tapped in now, and we just gonna ride this joint down, y'all. And that was literally like the high of the week, which was created on Thursday. And when I say price melted, you see it. This is the 30-minute chart. I'm gonna let it play out on the 30-minute chart. Let's see. Look, price melted. No drawback. No retracements. Didn't give people a chance to get in on the higher time frames. Look at that. TP smack. And price continued to fall lower. You know what I mean? Price continued to fall the rest of the week. You see that? So that's where we at with it, y'all. Shout out to Carlos Santana. That's my guy. He passed phase 1 and phase 2 of his funded accounts from looking at my previous video about the silver bullet. If you haven't checked that out, what he did is he looked at that and he went and did some back tested and made it his own. That's what you're supposed to do. So shout out to you. He also asked me why I took these trades last week. So this breakdown is definitely specifically for him, but anybody else that got some value out of it, shout out to you too. All right, y'all, I still have yet to figure out how to really read these trade reports on Top Step. So I can't see how much my loss was on NOS, but I think it was like $500, because that was literally that's the amount of money I'm willing to risk on this account for a trade. So I took the $500 loss. Nonetheless, we went 2 for 3 this week, and we ended the week up, I think it's like 5.1%, something like that. The account balance is sitting at I'm tired, y'all. $52,514.77. And y'all, let me tell you something interesting. Let me see if I can see it from my phone view. There's certain rules within these trading combines, y'all. And you know how, like, back in the day, or how even now, you can take a Forex trading funded account and you can pass it in like a day. Ain't none of that with the futures market. Not with these futures firms. Literally, it tells me I gotta still make, even though I only need about a little less than $500 profit to pass my funded, and it's only one phase. Although that's the case, they're telling me I need like 2,700 more or 2,300 more. I don't know the exact number. Maybe I'll put a screenshot here, so you can kind of see what the requirements are. It's like a certain max drawdown you can't hit in a day, max drawdown overall. You can't have more than 50% of your profits made on one day. And the way that I trade, my trades, they hit when they hit. So my profits be pretty big using the risk management plan that I'm using. So I could technically pass my funded combine within a week. 2 trades, 3 trades maybe if they all hit, but they're not having that. So nonetheless, we're gonna get to it next week, and I believe next week we can pass this funded combine, and then within the next month, y'all, my goal is to get my very first payout from a funded account. I've passed multiple funded accounts in the past. When I got to the funded account, I just go crazy, and all my plans go out the window. My risk management plan, my trading plan, all that is just, it becomes like a gambling thing to me. Like, how quick can I run this up? So got a different mindset now, and we're gonna get this payout. So that's where we at with it, y'all. I appreciate you if you stuck around to the end of this video. I'm really excited about what's going on this channel. I'm really excited about the growth in my personal life. I'm really excited about the growth in my trading journey, y'all. I'm actually going to give y'all an update video next week of how my trip at Bali, how that trip has even contributed to my most recent success here in my trading journey, because it's way more to trading than analyzing charts. But we're going to get into that in the next video. Again, thank you for subscribing. If you have already, if you haven't, smash that subscribe button, because we really lit over here. Even though we chilling, I'm a little tired, we still lit. Peace, love, and positive vibes. Y'all be great. And remember, never ever quit. Aight.
The truth of who you are, you were born to be a star. The sun rules my world, so I let it play its part. It's my golden art. We connected from the start.